Installation of 6D series tube fittings. First, prepare the following products and tools. Installation steps. Before installation, ensure the tubing is free from deformation, scratches, dents, or other defects. The tube end should be smooth and free of burrs. FITOK 6D series tube fittings are fully assembled and finger tightened before shipment. Do not disassemble the fitting before installation to prevent dust or other contaminants from entering the fitting and affecting sealing performance. Secure the fitting body in a bench vise and loosen the nut. Insert the tubing into the fitting until it rests firmly against the shoulder of the fitting body. Finger tighten the nut. Mark the nut at 6 o'clock position. The required number of turns depends on the tubing size. For 10 millimeters outside diameter tubing, as an example, tighten the nut 1 1/4 turns with a wrench to the 9 o'clock position. Installation is now complete. Next, use a gap inspection gauge to check the installation. Insert the gauge into the gap between the nut and the fitting body. If the gauge cannot enter the gap, the fitting is sufficiently tightened. If the gauge enters the gap, additional tightening is required. Disassembly and reassembly. Prior to disassembly, make sure to mark a straight line along the tubing, the nut, and the fitting body to ensure the reassembled fittings are properly tightened. Loosen the nut to complete disassembly. If the tubing is stuck in the fitting, gently move it back and forth to remove it. Do not rotate the tubing. For reassembly, insert the tubing with the presetted ferrules into the fitting body until the front ferrule seats. Rotate the nut with a wrench back to the original position, as indicated by the marks on the tubing and the fitting body. Once the marks align, resistance will increase noticeably. Continue tightening slightly to establish a new seal. Note: the gap inspection gauge shall not be used for reassembled fittings.